So today we're gonna be doing ASMR, and I'm gonna be eating chips, and the chips are Cheez-Its. They are the zesty cheddar ranch flavor, and I'm about to try them. Well, not try them for the first time, but I'm going to eat them. They're my favorite flavor. But actually, no, I don't want to waste them. So what I'm actually gonna eat, no, actually drink. Oh yeah, my Snapple. So got it. All right. So here's ASMR. Enjoy. So now the ASMR has started. I'm going to do these epic sounds. You hear this? Epic sounds. Epic sounds. Epic. Now it's time for the real ASMR. Perfect. I will now put you close to my throat, and you will enjoy the sound of the ASMR. Sorry for that loud sound. Good. I rated it a 8 out of 10. Not the best. Probably because I should know. I'm just kidding. 10 out of 10. Strawberry Snapples are my favorite. Strawberry kiwi, actually. But yeah, this is the video. Trust me, I'm going to do more ASMRs. Tomorrow I'm going to do an ASMR. Next day, I'm gonna grind. You feel me? Yeah. But seriously though, I might do some more. But for now, epic sounds. Peace out. Hope you have a good day or night or evening, whatever time of day it is. If it's nighttime where you are and you're about to go to sleep, then sleep tight. Don't let the bed bugs back. What the freak? Don't let the bed bugs bite. If it's daytime, then don't get corona. Okay, that's all I have to say. And goodbye.